Okay, so we got a F-150 here, and we got 3 of these in the shop right now. They either present with a rear ABS code, usually right rear, or a vibration, about 30-40 miles an hour is usually the most common symptom. Also the brake noise, usually you'll find that the rotor is contacting the shims inside the caliper bracket, or it's actually touching physically. So what we find is the axles are actually shearing off inside the housing, causing the axle to walk out, and the ABS code is coming on because the tone ring, the sensor is too far away from the tone ring, so it can't read because the axle is coming out. The only thing that's holding it in is the rotor, which is, kind of scary. And so, usually chalk this up to just a random phenomenon, but we got 3 of these in here, one for a vibration, one for a brake noise, and one for an ABS code. Same problem on all of them. So this is like a 2012, they're all right around that same era. So yeah, genius. We also tried to price out a set of axles for this, and they're on intergalactic back order, so it looks like maybe this might be a problem that Ford's going to have to deal with.